Jai Sri Ram, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. We have landed at Munich airport, which is the second busiest airport in terms of passenger traffic after Hamburg. While the runway is obviously very big, the luggage collection area seems a bit small. Coming back to the agenda, today we are going to visit the scaffolding board manufacturing facility located in Salzburg. We will be traveling there by train, so let's ride in. This is OBB railway, and with this we have to go Salzburg. OBB is the best train considered in Europe with the punctuality rate nearly 94%, but even then there is a delay of 5-10 minutes, but that's okay. Munich to Salzburg, the travel time is 1.5 hours and nearly very comfortable journey, and the seats inside the train looks very nice. We are reaching to Salzburg station. Here, one thing to be important that Salzburg has two stations. One is Salzburg Airport, and one is Salzburg HBF. That means the main station. This main station is the most important transportation hub in the Western Austria with numerous national and international connections. And when we say international connection means from Munich to Slovakia. Wow, what a decoration. We reached the hotel at 7 p.m. and headed to its restaurant. It's early evening, that's why tables are empty, but that's good for us. The next morning, we are visiting to the scaffolding board manufacturing company. These logs were received directly from the forest. These are the spruce logs. Spruce comes under softwood category, which grows fast and considered durable. This wood is light in weight, soft and very elastic. Spruce dries quickly but hardly. Let's see how they are proceeding for the
Try to get the
scaffolding.
majority in by train, just to get the trucks off the roads.
Train, huh?
Train, yeah, and here trucks. The further out you go, the more you have it on. Only guy working here, and basically he's just supervising.
Oh,
He has every station he has here on the screen.
Okay.
There are some electricians in the background, welding guys on call off. So if something happens,
Okay.
he's gonna call them, or he gets those red things that something gets stuck. It seems that we have too much material in one box.
As you see, this is the control panel room, and here he was explaining that how they are supervising the operation from this cabin. So let's see, the first operation is debarking. SS steel pointed roller are used to debark the stem. These rollers remove bark from one side at one station and then move to the next station where the other side is debarked. Further, the logs go through quality checking and size confirmation. If any bark remains, they are cleaned again at the next station. There are many kinds of separation wheel which is used in the wood industry, and after debarking, it goes to the storage collection. I simply asked the manager how many years it takes for the trees to grow into such big logs. And the reply was 100 years. 100 years a tree need to be left into forest to get such a big which can be used for a scaffolding. At this conveyor, the saw cuts the debarked logs into desired size. Then quality checking. Quality checking includes length, width, height variation, as well as, like you can see, they are moving the sensor from the top and from the side. So this is, like you see, this is the size. So this is deciding the exact length and exact width, and thereafter, this is the top one, and thereafter they collect it into the different pallets. So there the next step will be the separation of the size and as for the width and thickness, and then again here separation based on the length, and then it is prepared for the kiln drying. So what is kiln drying? But before let's see its preparation. Before kiln drying, an automatic process nails a 20 mm stick over each scaffolding board. This ensures that 100% of the boards have the stick properly attached. After the boards are collected and arranged according to the pallet width, they move to the next step. There are two methods of kiln drying. The first method involves placing the boards in a chamber where the steam is directed with a controlled flow. The second method involves placing the boards in a channeled rack where sensors check the moisture content of each board and then steam is used accordingly. The latter method is faster. After the drying process, the boards return back to the production line for metal inbending, which is required for certain countries. Timber boards are typically fitted with metal bands at each end and a metal strip to prevent splitting and wear and tear. The specifications for metal strip may vary, but they are usually in accordance with BS 2482. Previously, this task was done manually, but now the automated process has made the fastening more secure. Once the metal ends are fixed, the boards are palletized and wrapped with moisture barrier paper. They are then forwarded to FG store for dispatch to the customer.